The life don't tire all of us, so if I talk and I don't laugh, I go. I know if you keep myself. No DJ, no play Chukwa now. You see, say time no complete. You want play for my own time. When your time reach, you play. This Lagos, and I get mine though. I go enter flight from Lagos, come here, spend from Port Harcourt, come Lagos, spend 50 minutes on air, and they will give me 5% of my journey. I know even later I want to talk. If I tire, I go. Since and I say we can't do audition. At the age of 40, person still be upcoming. Only one blow. This life don't tire person. I just no. My sister, you always stand there, you don't get sympathy. Even they say you don't laugh, you don't go laugh, you want musu. You have to like all these people, they say, go low medicine. You know, say, when you get, any kind of way you don't get gono before, you go understand this joke. You know, say, when you get gono, if you want to go buy the medicine, you tell doctor, say, now you get them. You can't tell doctor, say, you get the way they do one of your guy. And doctor, they're very wicked. They can't tell you, say, if it's your guy, I will give him these drugs. If it's you, you will take this one. You now as a sharp guy, you can't ask doctor, which one they work fast. Lagos, if you know you're happy, make some noise, please. My guy, she might see you, boss, maximum respect to you. See, this country, get the way the country don't hard. I want to not allow anybody to deceive now. The last time I come show for a go out there, the stage, decentralized. Now, the way the stage day, they like that guy come out. Some people do like this, some people do like this. And if you don't get money, let they worry yourself, they try to get. It's not necessary. Love yourself. Or do selfie. You don't know what they call selfie? Any man where they sing, they masturbate. Hey, prof, why doesn't only the laugh of vulgar joke? Are you a gospel comedian? You're a professional gospel comedian. Me, my girlfriend, her boyfriend called me. Say, make her leave in girlfriend. I say, no, you go to date her for morning, marry date her for night. In life, you just need to know your place. Problem no go there. How you go see girl, come to tell girl, say, the first time I saw you, something was moving in my body. You know, go do test. She go that you don't get sickness. All these Nigerian girls, see, these people, they are very wonderful. Please appreciate them, appreciate them. When I clap and for guests now. Bros, clap and forget. I dey pity you. You can't be say you can't friend that guy. You know say that guy senior you. With 20 years. I can't imagine you now. You can't be honey for night. How you want to tell her? You can't stand, auntie. I need to go check my time. If my time reach, I go. Don't be joke. If you don't have money, leave women. Yes, that's why I state a law. And this law states that the amount of love given to any man by a woman is directly proportional to the amount of money given to the lady and inversely proportional to the girl's beauty, provided the man's money remains constant. Those who go school go understand. Those who no go. You know, say you get the way you go fail for school, eh? You go tell your mama and papa say they do masters. I fail now. When I did photo, I carry the school. He wants to come to beg me, uncle graduate now. I don't agree. Even when I did NYC the match, youth obey, declare. When I'm HOD, they call me, advisor, where are you? I said, I'm in camp. He said, which camp? Winners or redeem? I said, I'm in NYC camp. He said, what are you doing? I said, I'm matching. He said, where are you matching to? Who do you leave philosophy 101 for? I said, hey.